Have you ever had a kid behind you on an airplane kicking the seat the entire time? A couple of times. And except one time, all I needed to do was turn around and nicely say, "Hey little fella, is this your first plane ride?" Yeah, I get nervous too. You know what helps me? Just closing my eyes and trying to relax, which is super hard if you kick my seat. Usually their parents get super embarrassed and the kid stops right there and then. No hard feelings. This one kid, though, wasn't even a super small child, rather a teenager, I'd say. She kicked my... Have you ever had